you are still searching for true love, regardless kung ikaw ay single pa ngayon na naghahanap o baka naman ikaw ay may asawa na rin at parang hindi parang alam mo yung feeling na siguro hindi ka pa fulfilled, parang may kulang or parang hindi niyo na siguro may time sa mag-asawa. Ako ay bagong bagong may asawa pa lang, but I don't know dun sa mga matagal na mag-asawa. I've heard a lot of stories, a lot of testimonies na habang tumatagal paglipas ng taon is parang nawawala yung spark. Maybe it's because God was not there anymore. So bring him back. If you are already married, bring him back at the center of your relationship because he is the source of true love. If you are still searching for love, put him first. Love God first. So you can find true love. He will guide you through it and he will teach you how to give true love.